Hello everyone, Pamela Curtis, House and Gardens. Now this is the natural garden scenery in Maine in late autumn. No doubt about it. This is what the gardens look like naturally. Especially on the countryside, you'll also see this because most people are not really concerned about what their neighbors think or what is going on. But this is really magnificent in my view. I think it's really important to let nature do its thing and then move forward and take steps to do some cleaning. But these leaves, again, like I told you all in the previous videos, these leaves bring lots of nutrients, materials, shelter for the natural environment and the wildlife. So again, I'm going to be touching base with you all on this subject, but I wanted to give you this wonderful update on what's really going on. So you can see my bench over there. I still have the coral bells in the containers, and I'm going to be giving you an update soon on what is going on in the gardens. Have a great day, everyone.